GBPUSD, Simple Trading Tips for Beginner Traders. On September 18th, US Session Back Forecast GBPUSD, Simple Trading Tips for Beginner Traders. On September 18th, US Session Trade Review and Advice for Trading the Premium article will be available in 000018.09.20251 22 p.m. The premium article will be available in 000018.09.20251 22 p.m. Trade Review and Advice for Trading the Pound. The price tester 1.3611 occur when the MACD indicator had just begun moving upward from the zero mark, confirming the correct entry point for buying the pound. As a result, the pair rose by more than 30 points. The European session only reinforced the intentions of major players, pushing the pound to new local highs. Optimism about the outlook for the British economy, supported by expectations that the Bank of England will maintain. Fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get best MetaTrader indicators. Profitable expert advisors.